If LibreOffice is showing an error loading BASIC for your document, the good news is that this is usually caused by a corrupted user profile or damaged template cache, and in most cases, you can fix it very quickly. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to stop that error loop and get LibreOffice working normally again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and productivity tips. Let's start with the quickest solution first, because this is the method that usually works best. The issue often happens after LibreOffice crashes, freezes, or gets closed unexpectedly, which can corrupt the paths and settings it uses in the background. When that happens, BASIC may fail to load properly in your documents. Instead of trying to repair everything manually, we can reset the user profile and restore the default settings in one clean step. First, launch LibreOffice in safe mode. If LibreOffice is already open, close it completely first. Then reopen it and look for the safe mode option, or use the built-in recovery launch method if your system shows it. Safe mode is important because it lets you troubleshoot LibreOffice without loading the damaged settings that may be causing the problem. Once the safe mode setup window appears, look carefully for the option that says Reset to Factory Settings. Check the box next to it. This tells LibreOffice that you want to restore the program's default configuration instead of keeping the broken profile data that may be triggering the error. After that, choose Reset Entire User Profile. This is the step that clears out the corrupted user cache and resets the paths, preferences, and stored settings that can cause the BASIC loading issue. In many cases, this is exactly what fixes the error, because it removes the broken data and gives LibreOffice a fresh start. Now, click Apply Changes and Restart. LibreOffice will close, reset the profile, and then reopen with a clean default setup. Give it a moment to finish, because the reset process may take a little bit depending on your system and how much data it needs to rebuild. When LibreOffice opens again, go back to the document that was showing the BASIC error and test it again. In most cases, the error should be gone now, and your document should load normally. If it works, that means the corrupted user profile or template cache was the problem all along. This is the quickest fix because it targets the most common cause directly, without requiring advanced repairs or reinstalling the entire application. It's especially useful if the issue started after a sudden freeze, crash, or system shutdown. If you want, you can also take this one step further later by checking your extensions or templates, but in most situations, the safe mode reset is enough to solve it. So if you were stuck with the LibreOffice error loading, BASIC of document, this should get you back up and running fast. If this video helped, please tap like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I post more easy software fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.